If my knives could talk, they would tell a story about 1,000 different fish and vegetables. Some of them have gotten me. Some of them have taken little parts of me away, but they've added way more. They've given me my entire career. A lot of people think when I say I'm from St. John, U.S. Virgin Islands, they're like, oh, you must be rich or something like that. I grew up in the bush. I started in a 2-person tent with my mom on our property, and it was a small, tight community. As a kid, I was always very intrigued in food. The playfulness of food on my palate really inspired me, which drove me into culinary school. It started allowing me to have more access to the world. You know, I had developed an island-to-table restaurant on St. John. I built a tiny house with my family to live in, to start my life in. And these 2 hurricanes just lined up. Irma was just complete devastation. It was just like an atomic bomb went off. My mom and stepdad's house had imploded. My stepbrother's house on the property was just gone. The sheer trauma and power of the storm, it changed everyone. And I was just like, I don't know what I can do. Like, I can't build back there, and I needed to offer my family something more. That's when I made the decision, we got to get out of here. I'd always been interested in Charleston. I loved the connection to the Caribbean. I loved the seasonal changes with produce, and the seafood's insane. And, you know, I just came here with an open heart, open mind, wanted to learn, wanted to make connections. I wanted to do what I'd been doing, connecting the full circle of using everything from the island. And so my business partner, he was selling us oysters at my restaurant downtown. We just started connecting and having meetings and looking at spaces. And we found this spot. The idea for Cutico started because I wanted to have a fish market, and I wanted to sell and present it with a chef's perspective. I wanted it to be approachable and not feel intimidating for people. We wanted it to be something that also connected with some of the things that we were passionate about: sustainability, the ocean. We're supporting the local industry first and foremost. I want you to feel like you're at a fish market, but with the freshest, cleanest seafood. Food means to me connection, family, community. When people come to Cutico, I want them to feel warmth. I want them to feel a sense of community. I want them to feel refreshed. Most importantly, we'd like to just know that we've been impactful, we've been passionate, and it's about the people that do it with us and share it.